watch this video in Hindi, check the link given in description box below and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe I'm going to share is Thandai. Thandai is a cooling, refreshing drink made with milk, dry nuts and flavored with some aromatic spices, and especially made on festival occasions like Mahashivratri and Holi. Due to its cooling effect, it can be served as a perfect summer drink. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients. To make Thandai, we need 1 liter milk. You can use full fat or toned milk, half cup powdered sugar, 10 to 12 almonds, 2 tablespoon pistachio, 10 to 12 cashews, 2 tablespoon melon seeds, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon Gulkand, which is basically rose jam. You can also replace this with half teaspoon rose water, but make sure that you use edible rose water, or you can also use handful of dry rose petals. Next we need few strands of saffron, half teaspoon black peppercorns and 4 green cardamom. First we need to soak all the dry nuts and spices. So here I have taken 2 bowls. In one bowl take all the dry nuts and seeds, that is almonds, cashew, pistachio and melon seeds. In the other bowl take all the spices, poppy seeds, fennel seeds, cardamom and peppercorns. If you are using dry rose petals, add them along with these spices. Add enough water in both the bowls. Let this soak for 4 to 5 hours or you can keep them overnight. Next, in a deep vessel, take milk. Set the flame on high and let this milk comes to boil. Once milk starts to boil, take it off the heat. Take few spoons of hot milk and add it to the saffron. Let these saffron soak for few minutes. Then using a spoon, in this way mash these saffron strands to extract its flavor and color. Allow this milk to cool down completely. Meanwhile, we will make our Thandai mixture. So the dry nuts and spices have soaked well. We have to peel the skin of almonds. Pistachio skin is coming off, so I'll take that out as well. Now drain the water from nuts and add them to the grinding jar. Add these soaked spices along with the water. And also add Gulkand. As I said earlier, you can replace this with edible rose water. Grind this to make a fine paste. If needed, you can use more water while grinding. To this paste, add some more water. Strain this paste using a fine sieve. If fine sieve is not available, you can also use muslin cloth. Press this paste nicely to get all the flavorful juices out. Again, we need to grind this masala with little water. And again press it through the sieve. Take care not to use too much water while grinding, or else Thandai will become too much watery, which won't taste good. Don't throw this leftover masala. You can use it in your everyday cooking to make curries, or you can use it in cake batter or in your cookie dough. So the preparation is done, milk has cooled down, saffron milk is ready, Thandai mixture is also ready. So all we need to do is just mix everything together. Make sure milk is at room temperature before mixing everything. This goes powdered sugar, saffron milk, and Thandai mixture. Give a nice mix. Keep this Thandai in refrigerator for 2 hours. This Thandai won't stay good for too long at room temperature, so always keep it refrigerated. It will stay good for 1 to 2 days. I have these beautiful clay glasses to serve this Thandai. I will put an online purchase link in description box below this video if you like to buy them. Garnish with some chopped pistachios. So my dear viewers, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you liked today's video, then give it a like, share this video with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.